Children of God, this coming July 2, 2026, I will travel to Vietnam and honestly, it excites me very much. I will be there to witness and cover the beatification of Father Francis Xavier Truong Buo Diep at the Tak Sai Pilgrimage Center in Cà Mau Province. He was a Vietnamese priest known for his deep love for his people during one of the darkest periods in Vietnam's history. During the First Indochina War, violence and fear spread across many villages. The war involved the struggle between Vietnamese nationalist forces and French colonial rule after World War II. Many civilians became trapped in conflict, uncertainty, and displacement. In the midst of danger, Father Diep refused to abandon his parishioners even when he was advised to escape. He courageously said, "I live among my sheep, and if I must die, I will die among them." In 1946, he was captured and killed because he chose to remain with his people. Today, many Vietnamese Catholics remember him not only as a martyr, but also as a shepherd who stayed faithful until the end.